Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. They have a 1961 Ford Thunderbird Hardtop. Beautiful car. Interior was just redone. 390 under the hood. Power steering, power brakes, automatic. Legendary swing away steering wheel. Super nice chrome. Power windows. Interior is completely redone. Looks fantastic. The whole dash was replaced. All of that aluminum. Really beautiful. New seat belts. New front and back seats. Package tray. Dash. Speaker. Cover. Very nice super straight body. Love these taillights too. Looks like a jet engine coming by. Very comfortable cruiser. Love the skirts. Sitting on white walls. Love how this molding is integrated into the door handle. Very cool. Our windows work great. Beautiful door panels. They look new. This aluminum insert. I like how the keys on the left side too. Just cool. It's got headers on it too. It's got a real nice sound to it. 24,566 miles. Likely 124. Runs great. Interior lights work fantastic. AM radio. Sometimes they take a little while to warm up. Center console, the belts all the way around. Headliner looks original. Little spot right there. And over there. Not bad though. All the windows work beautifully. Nice and fast too. Oh, it's the back windows. Windows. I like the interior hood release too. It's pretty nice. Cool. Nice and tidy under the hood. Like I said, power steering, power brakes. Looks like a new Master. Got headers, gives it that nice throaty sound. Obviously 390. New padding under the hood. This interior even smells new. Beautiful. New carpet too. New sills. This door panel looks beautiful too. Door shut, super nice. The paint is a little orange peely. Let me just use a wet sand and cut out gorgeous. Guys, thanks for joining me today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. But also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.